Okay, welcome back to the final turbo. I think I might have in the last video called it the advanced round. It's not the advanced round. You've leveled all the way up to turbo. We're playing complete the composition piano turbo round. Okay, here's what's going to happen in turbo round. Number one, I can play any note on the keyboard. Forget about this D major from the last round. We're going for the gold. I can do anything I want. Right? Whatever you want, you can answer. You've got the entire 88 to play with, right? Second of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bump up our tempo. We're going to click it all the way up. Woo! 140. It's kind of getting upstairs. Dig it? It'll still only be 3 minutes. I ask you a question. You're going to get kind of long. You wait for it and respond with your own answer. Okay, here we go. Game on. Your turn. Your turn. Your turn. What do you got? Okay, nice. We're going to make them longer. Wait for it. Patience with those musical ears. Here we go. What do you got? Respond. Nice. Here we go. Next one. Your turn. Come on. Love it. Here we go. What's yours? Nice. Come on. What do you got? Okay, we got time for a few more. Your turn. Whatever you got, anything goes. Next. Your turn. Go ahead. Don't worry about any wrong notes. Just make it. Okay, I'm coming at you. Here we go. What do you got? Okay, we got time for one more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is you. Here we go. We're done. Here it is. Money. If you made it through that round to complete the composition, your ears are burning up right now. Nice work. See you at another Blam game.